Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today. Today I have not received a newspaper, so I have downloaded the newspaper PDF, and it's a hell of a job to extract this PDF of the Sudoku. It's a Sudoku with a 1 star. Today's newspaper is Thursday, July the 30th, 2020. Yes, 2020. And in the additional with extra Sudokus, I think there are 1, 2, let me count, 2, 3, 4, 5 extra Sudokus. Yes, and this one will be number 1252. And before I start, I always count the numbers, the printed numbers. Let me count. We have 4, 6, 8, 11, 15, plus 2, 17, plus 2 is 19, plus 4 is 23, plus 4 is 27. We have 27 printed digit in this Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number I can use. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 6 in this column, the third column, 6 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place for the 6 should be here. Then yeah. Well. 9. This big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these 2 boxes. There are 5. No 5 in that box. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. We have in this big square 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 8 in this column. So no 3 and 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. 3 and 8. That means the other 2 boxes are left for the numbers. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 here. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be here. one in the first row, one in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the one should be here or there. We see here one, no one there, one should be here. In this column, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no one there. Here 1, no one there. Here 1, no one there. Here a 1, no one here. Here also a 1, so no 1 in this box. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 7 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 7 goes there. Now I have 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8 and this should be the 3. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this middle column for the numbers 5 and 3. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. We have a 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing number is a 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. Here also a 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so in the column between. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then two numbers left in this row for the numbers 3 and 8. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. Then 3. Yeah. 4, 8, 9. Supposed to be the 9 here. this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes, so the 7 could be here or could be there. So in the last column we have a 7 in one of these 2 boxes. In that column we have a 7 over there. So in the column between, the only place for the 7 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 2. We have a 7 now, so no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this second row. For the numbers 4 and 9, we have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. 9 should be there, and the 4 goes here. Then Alright. Yes, 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the middle row, only 2 places for the 4. Here or there. We see here 4, no 4, there 4 should be there. Now I have 1 box left. I have marked this box for the 7. So this should be the 7. The other 2 boxes are left for the numbers 8 and 2. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. No, double 2. I made a big mistake. Not 8 and a 2, but 8 and a 9. This should be a 9. Yes. Double check it. Alright. So these 2 numbers, the 3 and the 2. 3 and the 2. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 1 number left in this row, the 3rd row for the number 8. These 2 numbers should be the 4 and the 2. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. These 2 numbers in the last column for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. A 3 should be here and a 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Two numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 8. We have 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, no 1 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. and all the 8s are used, I can see. One in this row, one in the row above, so that row, the only place for the one should be there, and all the ones are used, I can see. Yes, one number left in this big square for the number 4, 4 in this row, 4 in the row above, so that row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 2. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And a 2 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 5, I believe, yes. 5 in this column, 5 in the third column, so the column between the second column. Only two places for the 5, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and a 7 goes there. One number left in this column for the number 2. One number left in this row for the number 8. No. One, the 2 is no 2. The 9 is missing. Yes. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 3. We have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the second Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku. So see you later and bye bye for now.